Hey, welcome to my channel. Since you clicked on this video, you're probably interested in making your own vision board for the new year. I have been wanting to make my own vision board, and here is the video of my process. I have broken it down into 5 simple steps, so without further ado, let's get started. Here's a simple definition of a vision board and what it contains. The first step is the most important step of all because we are going to be planning what's going into the vision board. First, decide if the board is for your short-term or long-term goals. Then, take a moment and think about 1 to 3 segments of your life that you want to improve. Take note of words that instinctively come to your mind. You can also check out my previous video for a few New Year journaling ideas to get started. Think about where you want to display your vision board. It can be a digital board that can be saved as your desktop wallpaper, or a physical board that you can pin up on your wall. I'll be creating a digital board in this video, but you can always send it for print if you prefer a physical board, or craft your own using magazine cutouts or print out some images from the internet. This step is the most fun. Find pictures that speak to you and represent the goals or keywords you have come up with during step 1. Choose vivid and striking images so that the message is clear every time you look at your vision board. For text, use short sentences or single words. The board should be attention-grabbing to remind you of your goals. If you're unsure, start small. The board doesn't have to be huge. To put the board together, I'll be using Photoshop, but free programs like Canva, Keynote, or PowerPoint work as well. There are absolutely no rules as to how to arrange your vision board, but it should ultimately look pleasing and clear to you. In the process of making my board, I decided to create a free printable to share. It includes 30 keywords that you can put into your own board. The download link is in the description box. Enjoy! Thanks for watching till the end. Having a vision board is by no means a guarantee that all your goals will be achieved. But it's still a really great daily reminder of the things you would like to focus on and the life that you would like to be leading. So keep working hard at your goals. Also, it's okay to make changes to your vision board if your goals have changed along the way and there are new things that you would like to prioritize in your life. That's it for this video. I hope it was useful for you. Have fun creating your own vision board and see you in the next video.